Hello everybody, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. This is Rajni and today I bought you authentic Kanjivaram all Rettapettu style Kanjivarams, starting with this grey and contrast bottle green in the border. Rettapettu style golden zari weaving comes on either sides with contrast pallu and blouse piece in maroon. Very rich and grand pallu as you can see here, and the saree is priced 8,990. The folded part is the blouse piece. Next is traditional color combination with the mustard yellow and rani pink. Beautiful minute checkered pattern comes all over the body and Rettapettu borders. The rani pink blouse piece and contrast pallu priced at 11,800. Here is the closer view of the saree for you. Next comes in zari kattam style in very unique and rare color combinations. Dark brown and sky blue in the borders. Silver zari Rettapettu borders. This saree is priced 11,990. This is the pallu, blouse piece and body all together. Next comes another unique lovely combination with the beige and violet. Beautiful contrast combination. This is the open view. The pallu and the blouse piece comes in the contrast violet color, priced at 11,700. The body has got checkered pattern. Next is Ganga Jamuna style, rani pink and dark green on either sides of the saree, with the turmeric yellow in the body, small checks pattern and temple style weaving. Contrast green comes in the blouse piece and pallu, priced at 11,500. This is the open view. Next comes another silver zari woven Rettapettu Kanjivaram with the zari cuttams all over the light green body, fluorescent green and contrast black borders. Here is the blouse piece and closer view for you. Priced at 11,990. Another simple Rettapettu style with the purple and dark pink combination in the borders. Small Annam's zari buttais comes on the body and simple borders on either sides. This is the closer view of the striped pattern in the body, priced at 9,500. This is the open view of the body and pallu together. Next is multicolored checkered pattern on the body with plain silver grey comes on either sides of the saree. Very simple and elegant festive wear Kanjivaram. This is the blouse piece in grey and here is the open view for you. This saree is priced 9,900. Next is black and orange combination. Zari stripes pattern comes all through the body. Contrast pallu and blouse piece in maroon as you can see in this picture. This is the open view of the saree, priced at 10,900. Next comes black and white checkered pattern. Very famous, most demanded Kanjivaram with contrast rani pink in the Rettapettu borders. This saree is priced 11,800. Next is cream and contrast black combination with small checks pattern on the body. This is the open view of the khadi golden zari comes in the pallu, priced at 11,700. Here is the closer view of the checks pattern on the body. Next is rich silver zari woven zari cuttams, this time in the color combination of navy blue and chilli red. This is the open view. The whole saree has got silver zari weaving in the borders as well as the body, priced at 11,990. This is the blouse piece in chili red, which has also got checks pattern. Next is light green and dark pink combination. Broad checks pattern comes woven on the body in pink thread along with the contrast pallu and blouse piece, priced 11,800. Here comes another lovely combination of coral pink and navy blue. Golden zari retapettu borders and self-woven checks pattern comes on the body. Here is the closer view, priced at 11,800. This is the blouse piece in navy blue. Next is another unique pastel combination in baby pink and navy blue. Very soothing silver zari combination is very beautiful and elegant for this saree. Here is the open view. This saree is priced 11,990. This is the blouse piece in navy blue with checks silver zari cuttons. Next is bottle green with brick orange in the borders. Big size annam motifs comes in golden zari all through the body. This saree is priced 11,990. Next comes another contrast combination, this time in methi green and contrast black, with the body remains plain without any buttas and elegant classy retapettu borders, priced at 11,500. This is the broad pallu. Next is lemon yellow and steel grey. Simple temple weaving above the borders. Khadi golden zari comes in either sides. This is the blouse piece in grey, priced at 10,200. This is the closer view of the saree. Simple festive wear, Kanjivaram. Next is coral pink and black combination. This is a dual shade of the body with the pink and peach combination. Golden zari cuttons, priced at 11,990. Another traditional combination in contrast, turmeric yellow and navy blue. One side border comes in annams and another one khadi golden zari weaving. Double border. This is the closer view of the checks pattern on the body, priced at 11,800. Pallu is rich and grand. Next is maroon combination. Very attractive. Golden zari weaving comes on the borders on either sides along with annam zari motifs. The whole saree comes in the single color maroon with brick orange in the borders. This saree is priced 11,990. Here is the open view. Next is very lovely combination of royal blue and brick orange. The selvage on either sides of the saree comes in the dark green. Otherwise the whole saree is in the royal blue, priced at 11,900. This is the open view. The last saree in today's episode, bottle green, rich dark combination with the contrast bright orange. Golden zari broad checkered pattern along with the golden booties comes on the body with bright orange pallu and blouse piece. This saree priced 14,800. In order to book your favorite saree, please send us the screenshot of the saree along with the price to WhatsApp number 7010830303. My sister Bharati Lakshmi will assist you in placing the order. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.